We have some really exciting news for all of you. We have created an AI transformation audit to help you guys lean into AI within HubSpot. Now, Em, let's talk a little bit more about what is in this AI transformation audit.
Well, the first part is looking at your data. And not just the data that's inside of your CRM, but also your process documentation, your business operations, and how those are documented so that you can really inform and arm the AI tools inside of HubSpot. So we'll look at your data first, and we'll even use some of the data quality tools inside of HubSpot to help with that.
Not only do we help you understand where you are in your AI transformation, what you're going to be able to accomplish, what are the tools, what do you need to be able to do to achieve next, but we're also going to help you understand what those outcomes will be and what the impact upon your organization will be. Now, this is groundbreaking because AI is only going to become a bigger portion of what you're doing day in and day out. This is for your sales, this is for your marketing, this is for your service teams, this is for your operations teams, and we're going to be able to walk you through it all.
And our team of experts are going to walk you through those outcomes, but they're going to be informed by pain points. And we're going to do interviews with all of your functional leaders and even your managers and other levels to make sure that we understand what's hurting the most. And then what does it look like to solve that pain point, right? And what is the outcome? And then we can map all of the different AI features into that outcome and build the solution for you.
And this all came about because we wanted it for ourselves and we wanted to understand how do we do this ourselves. And so everything you see here, everything we're working on here is coming from our own learnings within HubSpot and working with all of HubSpot internal teams. We have access to everyone inside HubSpot to understand how best to build this. And we're leading the charge when it comes to AI transformation and helping all of you make sure that you are set up to take advantage of the tools as they come out and make sure you get the most out of your HubSpot instance.
For companies large and small, we really are going to help the companies at the upper end of the market with legal compliance and some of the restrictions and, obstacles there, but also towards the mid-market as well, where they have a little bit more innovation and flexibility. Whatever those pain points are, we're going to map those outcomes with the features and the solutions that are going to give you more efficiency, closing more deals, having better conversations, qualifying faster. The list goes on and on.
We've been having so many conversations with our customers and they just simply love the output. So really excited to be able to walk you through it. It's something you're going to be able to share with your executive team. It's something you're going to be able to share with just individuals in general, because we know that you're being asked, how do we do this? How do we take advantage of it? And we're here to support you.
We are absolutely thrilled about this new offering for AI transformation audits. Check us out, aptitude8.com. You can hit up Noah or myself on LinkedIn, and we'd love to talk to you about where you sit with AI, and let's get you ready for it.